Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to quit the game that you are playing with on the Candy Crush application if you don't want to finish playing with it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should go to your home page and start playing with the game by tapping on the map icon down below, which is the first option, and then tap on the current level you are in. Click on the play button in the middle of the screen and then start playing. And if you want to quit the game for some reasons, tap on the settings icon that you can find down below in the left side corner of the screen. After that, you are going to find this quit level button in the middle. So tap on it and select quit level. As you can see, your level failed. If you want to retry, tap on the retry button in the middle, or you can tap on the X icon in the upper right corner of the screen to go back to your home page, and then you can select another game or do whatever you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.